Okay, now is speed and velocity. Again, speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Now, what is speed? That's rate of change of distance with time. Now, when I say rate of change of distance with time, that means change of distance per second. So when I say the speed of a body, say speed of a body per second or per hour, in fact distance travel in unit time, better to write distance travel in unit time, because sometimes distance is also measured in kilometer per hour, although SI unit is meter per second. Now sir, you can understand, suppose in t second, if a body travel s distance, then in 1 second it will travel how much? S by t. That's distance by time. So this is distance and this is time. So therefore we say speed is equal to distance by time. So what is the meaning of this? Say 5 kilometer per hour. Per hour means per 1 hour. So 1 hour means unit time. So when I say a body is traveling at a speed of 5 kilometer per hour, or a car is traveling at a speed of say 50 kilometer per hour, so that means the body is traveling, the car is traveling 50 kilometer in 1 hour. In 2 hours it will travel 100 kilometer. In 3 hours it will travel 150 kilometer, provided the speed is constant. So that is called speed. Now speed is expressed in kilometer per hour or meter per second also. So SI unit is meter per second. Now it is a scalar quantity. Now this speed is a scalar quantity. It does not depend upon direction. We say a car is traveling at this speed, or a person is riding a bicycle at a speed of 5 kilometer per hour. So that means it does not have direction. But when we mention speed in a definite direction, then we say it is velocity. In fact, velocity means the rate of change of distance with time in a specific direction. Now here the direction is not important. You can go from one place to another place in any direction, but there will be a speed. But say a car from A to B can travel from this route for any other route at a certain speed. So you say speed is that much, 50 kilometers a year. But say suppose when an plane goes, in that case what happens? The aeroplane have to maintain a specific direction. Then only that aeroplane will reach from one place to another place, and in a particular time. So that plane cannot go in any haphazard direction. So it will not reach that destination, or it will not reach that destination in a specific time. So it's not that a plane is traveling at 300 kilometer or say 1000 kilometer per hour. And it will reach to a certain destination exactly, and at an exact time is not necessary. Depend upon in which direction the plane is traveling. So for that aeroplane has to be following a specific route in a specific direction. So in that case we mention 1000 kilometer per hour south, due south. Yeah, due southwest. or due northeast or due north or due east. So that means the plane will follow a specific direction. So that's the difference between say speed and velocity, and hence we say speed is equal to distance by time, and velocity is equal to displacement by time, because velocity means the rate of change of distance with time in a specific direction. So specific direction, distance in specific direction means displacement. Okay, so that's speed and velocity. Now see,